Welcome back. This is the second tutorial in the series. We'll try to complete the eyelid rig. Okay. So if I select only the controllers and now this is what we are going to do. Yeah, it's not clean up. You can clean it up, but this is what we are going to end up after this lesson. Okay, close this file. Okay, now this is where we left. If you can check it out, I just cleaned up some more mesh, some more controllers. I cleaned up clearly. I gave the names. See here, this eyeball rig, this is upper lid, and all the stuff, and also the minimum maximum controllers also I named it properly. Next thing is that previously, if you check it out here, I left it two controllers to show you. So let's take, if I select this controller, I can move the whole controller. That's fine. But if I'm selecting this controller, I'm also selecting this outer controller. I need to be very careful when in selecting this controller to animate it. I want to template this one. So let's take, if I select this outer line, which is the minimum maximum line, right click, actions, template. It templates everything under, because it's a parent of all the other control curves, it's templating it. So we don't want that one. So what we are going to do is that select the group, okay, select the group, move it outside the minimum maximum curve. So right now it's there. If I try to move it, I can move it anywhere, but this is not moving. Now once it is moved, select the curve, minimum maximum curve, and then holding control, select the group node. Okay, select the group node, go to constraint, point, under the point options, switch on maintain offset, add it. Once it is done, if I move, everything moves, and so I can select the curve, right click, actions, template. We'll do the same stuff here. Now select this one, select the group, middle mouse button, drag it out the group. Now select the curve, then the group, holding control, the group, constraint, point, see that this option is on, add it. Now select this controller, sorry, minimum maximum, actions, template. Now we got this curves. Okay, I'll save this as lesson A, 1A. Now we'll work on creating the eye shape, eyelid animations, eyelid rig things. I don't want to depend on the joints now or the controllers, everything. So I'll select these locators, hide them. We'll clean it up laterwards. And I don't want to work with the joints. I'll use a blend shape controllers to control the eyelids. So I'll say show joints. In 2016 and 17, we got a very powerful tool called, if you go to animation editors, shape editor. Open this editor. This is what we are going to use it. It's very easy because we are not going to rig this character to in-game animations. It's all like for cinematic cutscenes or other things which will be pre-rendered. Or also we can do some animation. So that's fine. Now once this is done, select the head, click on create blend shape. Okay, when you create blend shape, somehow it doesn't refresh, so close it, reopen the shape editor. We got this one. So right now we are doing eyelid blend shapes. So I'll put PS. Once this is done, I'll right click on this one, add a target. I'll put this one as left eyelid up because I'm going to move it upside. Okay, once it is done, I'll zoom in here, go to sculpt, double click on grab tool. This is a grab tool. Here, change the size so that you can set it. The next thing is in fall off, see that you go to surface, because when I'm moving the upper thing, it will not affect the lower area. Okay, that's the only thing. Now up means I want to move it up like this, wide open, and I'll spend some good decent time. So pull up these points inside. See, I'm adjusting properly. Hold shift, smooth it. And then I'll use pay. So here I'll push it inside. So once this is done, you can check it out. Okay. This is fine. Now once we are happy, you can minimize it, turn this off. Now we have to do the right side. It's very easy here. You don't need to sculpt everything. Just select this target and say duplicate the target. This time I'll change it to right eyelid up. Okay, once done, right click, flip the target. Can you see? Both are working now. So minimize it. Now select this one, add a target. This time I'll copy this one. I'll put down. I should have put upper lid because left eyelid will be. Now this time I'll move it down. So small brush, careful. Okay, we can edit later also, but right now this is fine. Turn this off. This looks fine. Now select this one, duplicate, flip the target and change it to right eyelid. It's not copy, it's down. What I'll do is I'll just put here U. So I'll know this is upper eyelid. Okay. Now we'll do the same process for the lower lid. So select one, right click, add a target, lower eye up. Okay, lower eyelid up. Select it. Minimize it. If I use the mud box, it's the same style. think this is fine. It won't go beyond that one. Turn this off. Okay. Duplicate it, flip it, and this should be right, and remove the copy. Then one more target, select it, right click, add target. This should be left, lower, down. Naming is very important. Okay, now I'll move it down. When I move it down, I'll try to push these points properly, tuck it inside. Okay, once you're happy, you can turn this off. Once it is done, duplicate it, flip it, change it to R underscore, and then here I don't want copy, remove that copy. So if I close it, I can test it. Can you see? Everything is working. But I don't want to go here and animate stuff. So let's close, leave it. We'll link it. So how to link it? Once again, it's easy. Type set driven. So go to animation, key, set driven key, set option box. First we'll work on left eyelid up. Now select this one. Now then select this surface. Click on this eyelid BS because it's blind shape. Click on here. It takes some time to update. That's fine. Can you see it has got some error? That's, I don't know why. Now select the translate Y, because right now here when I move it up, that should be left lid up and left lid down, upper lid down. I'll do it simultaneously. You can do it one by one, but I'm doing it. So key. Now when I move it up, so take some here, coming here. This should be 1. Okay. Left lid, key. If you want to see, now go down, go to the left lid down, okay, left lid down, and change the value to 1. Okay. If I test it, okay, now zero it out. Now we'll do the same process. We'll get here, load driver, translate, right eyelid up, right eyelid down. At 0 position, both are 0. So key. Now move it up, click on here. And here, right, left, right it, eyelid up, click on, make it 1, key. Okay, I need to select it, key. Now move it down, right lower lid, okay, right lower lid, down. See, okay, right lower lid, upper lid, down. So if I select both these curves, this one and this one, okay, now zero it out. Now we'll select for the lower lid, load driver, translate Y. This time, lower lid, this one, lower lid, these two things of concern to the lower lid. Click on key. Now, when I move it up, click here. Okay, when I move it up, I want the lid to go down. Okay, so I'll just say down. Okay, it's bit reverse down, but when I move it down, this controller, I want lower eyelid up should go up. So click on here. Okay, now it's bit reverse thing. What I did was, what if I select both the things and put it on 0? So if I move it up, spreads out, close it. Okay, that's a small logic which I used. The same thing. Now I'll select this control, that is right, translate. This time right up and down. Okay, now when I move it up, this should be down. Down means because we want to show a fully wide open eye. So down. Key. Key. Now when it is down, I want up. Lower lid, up. Key. Close it. Now if I zero it out, everything. Now if I select these controllers, okay, here there's some small problem as well. That's what I think. So I can select this surface always. See, I moved it down, go back to the windows, animation editors, shape editor. That is lower lid, sorry, upper lid down, left. This one, can you see? Edit it. You can always select this one. Move it a little bit up. I think this is. Wait. Okay. Now, see, I sorted out this. Now turn this off. The next one is right eye. This one, select this one and move it up. If you check it out here, I'm gradually moving. Okay. Now turn this off. Close it. Means you can on a go also you can start working on it. Now select these controllers. Wide open, close it. Wide open, close it. Now if I select everything, okay. Now zero it out. You still can clean up all this information right now. We use joints to create an effect of moving of all the surface. So you can log in, get back to your joints and clean up a little bit, because I don't want you guys to waste your time when you're doing animating for TV and broadcast. We can go for this surface. This is very fast and easy. And for the beginners, this is good level. Like intermediate level, this is very good controlling rig. So hope you enjoyed this lesson, and next lesson we'll work on mouth. So see you in next lesson. Bye.